Mm. Guys, thanks to AI, this taste test is real. Watch how he eats it. Guys, thanks to AI, this taste test is real. AI generated this food for him. Watch how he eats it. Let me taste the AI jollof rice. AI meat is sweeter than any meat in the world.
So basically, this video is going to be a tutorial for Google Flow for those of you who want to create long video for YouTube, Facebook and TikTok too. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to Google Chrome and then we'll type in Google Flow and then we enter and then we click the first that will pop up, then allow it to load. Then when it has finally opened, then you click to log in or register. Now you're going to register with your email. If you have your email on your phone or your laptop, you're going to register with your email. And then it will say experience and cheap AI tool for creativity. Then you click next and then it will bring this up. Review our privacy policy, click continue. And then it will take you to the main page of Google Flow. And of course, for this same video that we want to create, we can also use Google Gemini for it. So in case you want to use Google Gemini, just go to Google Chrome and then type in Google Gemini and click enter. And then it will bring up this interface for you. If you want to use it, you can go ahead and use it. But for this video, we're not going to be using Google Gemini. Back to Google Flow. In Google Flow, we need to subscribe. Even though it is free, we need to subscribe before we can use it. And I'm going to show you how to subscribe for free and use Google Flow. But before then, we're going to use text to video and frame to video to be creating our video. So to subscribe, click subscribe, then scroll down, then click see all plan. Of course, you're going to see two plans. One of the plans is 0 naira for 1 month, and then the other plan is 179,000 for 3 months. We're going to go with 0 naira for 1 month and click agree, then allow it to load. Then add payment method. In this payment method, you can decide to pay with your card or with your phone. But since we want to do free mode, we are going to add our card so that it will allow us to use the 1 month for free. Add payment method to the Google account to start your free trial. You can change it or cancel before this time next month. So we'll click add card. And then here you are going to put in your card details. I'm putting mine now. Put in your card number, then the date on your card. Check your ATM card. You're going to see a date and expiring date. Put in that date and then put in your CVC. Your CVC is the number that is behind your card, your ATM card, either a Valve or a MasterCard. It has CVC. Put in your CVC. Then put in your address and the rest of those things. Anyone you don't know, please research Google and then put them. I searched Google for suburb, but thank God I found it. When you are through filling in, click subscribe and allow it to load. Alright, so when it has finally subscribed, it's going to give you this sign that it has subscribed. Now scroll down and here you're going to click go to flow and then refresh. It will now give you a fresh flow platform for you to begin to create your video. Cancel this tab and let us continue. Now for us to create our video, we need a script. So you can generate your script by yourself, you can write your own, but for this video I'm going to use ChatGPT because this is the easiest way to get a script. Type in your prompt saying something like I want to create a video on VEO 3. Then put in the kind of video you want to create on VEO 3 and then ChatGPT is going to help you with the scripts. Alright, according to the prompt I gave ChatGPT, this is the script it gave me. A busy Ghanaian street food stall. A man takes a big delighted bite of jollof rice while the blogger films next to him. So this is the script that ChatGPT gave to me. Then we're going to click generate and then wait for some minutes for Flow to generate. Now as Flow is generating, you can come back to ChatGPT and create another script so that you can try different scripts and see the one that works best. Okay, finally our video is ready. Now let's check it out and see how it looks.
Guys, thanks to AI, this taste test is real. Watch how he eats it.
Now this is amazing. But let me go to ChatGPT and copy the second script that ChatGPT has created so that we'll try that one as well to see the one that best work for us. Now after I've copied it, I paste it into VEO3 and then I click generate. Let's wait for it to load. Now our video is ready. Let us check it out.
Guys, thanks to AI, this taste test is real. AI generated this food for him. Watch how he eats it.
Now in VEO3, there are few things that may happen as you generate video. One of it is that as you generate the video, it might happen that voice will not be clean or there will be no voice at all. What you just do is to simply regenerate the video. Get used to that kind of thing. It's something that happens. Now what I'm going to show you next is how to make this video longer, how to generate this video so that it can be a long form video so that you can post on your social media, either YouTube, Facebook, or even TikTok. Now to do that, come over to your video here and click add to scene. Allow it to load for some seconds, then adjust this line here to the end of the video. Then you're going to click save frame as asset. Allow it to load. It's going to generate a frame that you use to create the next step of the video. Now after it has generated, click the picture and then go down and generate your script. You can decide to go back to ChatGPT and continue generating your script, but basically the best thing to do is to bring the original script and then make some few editings. Keep it as simple as possible so that you don't get to mess things up. Now when you are through editing your script, click generate and then it will generate the next scene of your video. Now you can check your video and see how the alignment of the first scene and the second scene is.
Guys, thanks to AI, this taste test is real. AI generated this food for him. Watch how he eats it. Let me taste the AI jollof rice. AI meat is sweeter than any meat in the world.
And if you realize that they are not well aligned or the transition is not accurate, then you can readjust to make sure that the transition is good and the video is well organized. Keep readjusting.
Guys, thanks to AI, this taste test is real.
Then you can use the same first procedure of creating another scene to create the third scene for your video. But as you are creating, make sure that you keep checking over and over again to make sure that the scenes are in alignment and your video is well organized. Now any scene of your video that is not good enough for your liking, you can just delete it and then recreate another scene. And make sure you keep your scripts for the extension of scenes simple so that it can be smooth and easy. And for the version of the VEO3, we have the VEO2 quality, we have the VEO3 quality, we have the VEO2 fast, we have the VEO3 fast, and of course what I'm using is the VEO3 fast. Now you can use the VEO3 quality to get more quality video and audio. Now to download your content or your video, go to the right hand side here and click that download button there. And there it is first of all going to export your video, then go up here and then click download. Then your video is downloaded. Let's check out our video.
Guys, thanks to AI, this taste test is real. AI generated this food for him. Watch how he eats it.
You can see how amazing and beautiful our video is. Now this is how you can make and continue recreating the scene and then make long form video for your YouTube channel and your Facebook page and your TikTok. Now on VEO3, it is okay to make mistake. It is okay to generate videos that are not good enough. Now this video you are seeing is the first video I generated and it is not good enough. Now let me play it for you so you see it.
Did you take my spoon?
Your spoon? I don't have your spoon.
Now this video is beautiful and awesome, but it didn't give me the right scene that I want, so I had to leave it. So I bring it to you to show you that in some cases VEO3 can give you what you don't like, so you can leave it and regenerate another one. And of course, like I said, if you want me to create a video on how to use Gemini to do this same video creation like I did here, I can do it. Drop it in the comment section. In my next video, I'm going to create how to make video animation like this.
I cannot believe I was created by a prompt.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. It encourages me to make more videos like this.